This is BizTalk Discovery, and I'm Dave Curley. Sometimes the best vacation is just hitting the open water, and these guys help you do it in some serious style.
Well, Virgin Island Sailing, we're yacht charter brokers. So yacht chartering is basically renting a yacht for your vacation, and we broker the relationship between the client and a charter company. So we help our clients find the right boat. We set them up with all the plans that they need to make sure they have a great vacation. So our average customer is usually somebody who likes to vacation and likes to be around the water. So we have a lot of clients that are boaters themselves, and they'll rent a boat that they're going to drive and take their family and friends on for a week. Our other customers are those who don't know how to boat themselves, but they really like to be on the water for their vacation. And so they'll be the kind that will get a yacht that has a captain and a crew that will do the boating for them. And we do most of our business in the Virgin Islands. However, we also do charters throughout the Caribbean. Greece and Croatia over the Mediterranean are big draws. The Bahamas, Belize. So really, we do charters around the world. But the Virgin Islands is a very popular destination, so that's where we do a lot of our business.